need to get a longer one of these. We gotta go back to Pep Boys or something to get a longer one.
Pep Boy, it's just closing now, huh?
Yeah,
I didn't tell. Oh, you already put one side of the fucking. Yeah, you mounted the intercooler already.
Where was the plug going here? Wait, so we're going down there?
Yeah, it goes facing down. That's some little ass piping, bro.
You can buy some over there if you want to.
Show me how to take it. Look at Turbonetics. This costs more than the car.
That turbos from there too?
No, I wish.
This way.
That shit'll blow up real quick. So, let me see.
Oh, the flange for the thing is from the turbo.
Gotta cut here. And we gotta cut this right here.
You should have painted that for you.
I'm not keeping that.
Oh, you gonna get by one?
Yeah.
Man.
So it wouldn't go in at all then?
There we gotta push it back.
So you're supposed to cut what? Let me see, get out the way.
That.
Oh, that little thing right there.
And this right here.
Damn. I don't want him cutting that shit though.
We'll watch the video.
I know he cut this right here.
We'll watch the video when it comes back.
That right there. Turbo man. You see that little cross right there?
That's money.
So basically, when this shit blows up, right, we're gonna put the turbo on my car.
So it can blow up even quicker. And then after that, don't worry, if it blows up, we have a.
I'm so sad. I want to turn this shit on today too.
What do you think? We can't?
No oil be turned.
We can turn on without oil.
Oh,
check.
you can take the turbo on real quick.
Yo, look at these gold boys, man.
That's for the Civic, right?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see the fucking intercooler. Hold up, Cuidado, papá, yo.
Yeah, they go to ILX one on that side though.
He got the same SI you have, Kevin.
Yeah, that's all.
Show me the pipe and go.
So imagine this going straight down.
This is what you're guessing, huh? Take me out of here. Faith? No. Where's the freaking boost gauge? Advanced boost gauge? Oh.
Like, no, it's just a whale.
It's a cute ass whale. Shit. You want that boost, loco? Let me call the cops real quick. Oh, this shit comes with a light bulb.
Down she goes.
This is a nice cut.
It is, right?
For now. Until you find out that you have to make it bigger. Gotta make it bigger, right?
Here. Was he an idiot?
So yeah.
Dámelo. ¿Te vas a caer? No te calles, loco.
No te calles, papi. Yo, the intercooler's looking a little crooked.
There's the intercooler this way.
Ah, I threw it that as soon as I touched it, bro.
What is that, KS?
That's fake chaos.
It's not moving.
Yeah, but I told them we have to get the little grommet thing around here because if this shit keeps on going like this, like
We gotta put some paint on that shit too.
what? On what?
So it doesn't
So don't rust, yeah. Put that turbo on there, yo. Watch out the paint. Damn, never mind. You still gotta cut the back now, huh? That filter's not infinity, you're saying that K&M shit.
Yeah.
It's still leaking a lot. I think it's The bottom was leaking too. Oh yeah, things.
They're gonna be like, yo, he's using braided lines. What are you doing with this shit?
Gotta make it work.
Damn, you couldn't do the decency, bro. Que me limpie esto. Mira, mira. Wow. Wow.
Now it's double doors, so people can't get in and they don't have to go. Basically, I've been working on
we got a spin.
this. Shit.
God damn. Is the shipping done? Well, let me see this bad boy. If this don't fit, is it hot?
No,
It's not hot.
not hot. Not hot. There's aluminum, nigga.
Oh my god.
Guess he's right. For once. Coño, me caigo. Que te caiga, bro. You don't fit, bro.
Nope. Todavía.
It's a little bit more.
Where the fuck is it hitting?
Right here.
Try shaving.
Nigga, that's not even a web anymore.
Why did you shape the thing on the turbo?
Not even a little
Alright, so
fly.
this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put some type of paste out here, right? And put it to that thing, and then you're gonna see what you gotta actually cut off.
Yeah, go back to it.
Oh shit, they might look.
One song that I know how to play.
Bro, look how little it is, bro. That's it. Just drill it in there. Little exhaust stickers, nothing, right?
Right
Alright, let me see. Wait, lift it, take it out. Look, that's how much you need to cut off. That whole shit. Yeah, we can't cut that off, so might as well do the turbo, right? So it don't fit now. Throwing it away. Yes, sir. No. Yeah. Yes,
Just
sir.
a little
Yes,
bit.
sir. What you mean a little bit? Look over here. It's perfect.
Is it?
Look. Push it in. Look it.
It's not hitting nothing over here at all.
I mean, I don't think so. Nah, it has a little smidge of clearance. Let me see if I can see here. There's a little smidge of clearance, nigga. Unless you want to shave this more. The turb skis, bro. It's not hitting. The little black thing is hitting the freaking the intercooler.
I mean, you can shave it
The little flat thing. See, right?
We're gonna have to cut this.
What?
Yeah, a little flat.
That's it.
Just the flap?
So that's what I see for now.
So what?
They're gonna cut.
You sure just that?
I can start off by cutting this.
Start up by cutting this. Here's that. I'm supposed to go all the way to what?
Well, I want to tap into this. Tap into that, or and the sandwich plate has another thing. I could go put it down through there.
So how you can tap into it? You gotta get like a little.
Yeah, see, or I could go down here.
Whatever you think is easier.
You wanna fuck with the boost? Tú estás corriendo, and I'm gonna bump up this boost. Got boost wastegate. So that's the little wastegate right there.
What do you think? So I went to buy oil pan gasket, oil filter, and some oil. Fresh little oil change, you know what I'm saying? So we can put that turb ski up and going. Hopefully it turns on today. It's been like already 3 days, only because me and him been working a lot and he's doing mostly all the work, so. That's the right one. Yeah, I'm a fucking. Sorry, puppy. Seco.
Total licecito acá abajo, loco.
For now, right?
Yeah, we're gonna reuse this gasket.
I'm gonna beat your ass. Simple.
I'm surprised.
He says gasket, I say right here. Which side does it go, Papa? You want me to give it to you? Down here, up here? What the fuck you doing?
Right here.
Let me know when. But why is she on top of the fucking thing?
Make sure it's not in gear.
Make sure it's in gear. Hold up. Sigo.
Yeah, do one more time. Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Some blow up.
Vale.
Top on it, go like that, and then do it again. Alright, so I guess I have to cut the bumper up. I didn't want to because it's the front end's from, you know, Japan and shit or whatever. Cause I have to cut it because it hits right here. Where is it? Right here, I think. I think it hits right here. And just as far back as it can go, so. Oh, my ankles! So let me see if I can do it alone. What we see is supposed to cut. My boy already cut all this shit, as you can see. I think we have to cut this shit like up to here or something like that. So much work. I'm gonna show you when it's done. It doesn't look like I cut much, but you see on the floor I cut a good amount. So like I said, I really didn't want to cut these little walls over here. These. So I cut as much as I can right now. I'm gonna mock it up on the fucking car. And if it still hits right here or right here, then I'll start cutting some of these walls like a little bit. So I mocked it up again. It's hitting on this one right here. I'm gonna trim a little bit of this, and it's slightly hitting here. So I'm gonna trim like a good chunk, like this much, probably. We'll see. I mounted it. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me see. Can you see it? No, you can't. Let me get my phone. Look at this side clears like barely. The other side is what's hitting now. Right on there. Let me see if I can do it. Damn, bitch, can't do it together. Well, whatever. This side is hitting now. I just need to cut more of this side, and that's it. Alright, so before I start this wildebeest, I was gonna say this shit. The car has been turboed for like a month and a half, I think, or maybe just a month. I couldn't record like flybys and shit because it was snowing and there was so much salt on the road, so I didn't want to drive this. It's been so long since I recorded for a video on this car that I ended up getting red leather seats, red custom leather seats. Got it from my boy. I traded him I had some blue rear seats, like suede material, and he wanted to trade because he has a red hatch and red on red doesn't look that great. So I ended up trading him and giving him cash on top for Integra seats that are custom red leather. That's about it. Okay, so my boy tuned this shit the best he can. This is the dude that hold up. This is the dude that you always see installing stuff for me. He tuned it the best he can. It runs good. Well, good enough. So later on I'll probably tune it. I was like, hold up, is that a cop? Let me slow down because I'm hitting at least 10 miles an hour on a 25. Feel me? I didn't want to get arrested with my slow car. This camera's about to die. I'm gonna do one little mini pool inside so you can see how it sounds. I'll put it on second, hold on. For a car that wasn't tuned professionally, it's pretty good so far before it blows up, you know? But that's why I got the other block. I'm gonna try to do one more little pool right here. Put it in second. Oh, there's a car right there. Fuck. Put it in. Hold on. Let me put it back in first for now. Don't put it taking too long. Hurry up, pussy. Uh-oh. Watch out, little girl. Chill out, alright? You just on the eBay turbo, bro. You don't want to blow this shit up already, right? Ah, shit. Yo, this fucking squeaky ass fucking chair, man. I gotta fucking think one of the bolts are loose in this bitch. It's fucking annoying. Quick, motherfucker. Well, yeah, you guys heard it. It runs good. Like I said, good enough for a guy that just tuned it and he's not a professional tuner. So far so good. I'll let you guys know when it actually blows up, okay? Well, deuces.